Are you looking for the best backup cameras? In this video we will look at some of the best backup cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HD Streaming USB Computer Webcam. The IMIT 1080p webcam with microphone, C960 web camera is the ultimate solution to all your online communication needs. Whether you're making important conference calls, attending virtual meetings, or just connecting with family and friends, this powerful webcam has got you covered. Featuring a crystal clear 1080p resolution, this webcam delivers stunning video quality that will help you stand out during your meetings. The webcam also comes equipped with two powerful mics, ensuring that your voice is heard loud and clear, even in noisy environments. The privacy cover protects your privacy from hackers or people spying on you when not in use. Sliding cover design allows you to easily open and close the cover. Boasting a 90 degrees view angle, this webcam captures a wider area than most other webcams out there, enabling you to get the most out of your video call screen space. When it comes to usability, this webcam is as simple as it gets. Just plug it in and it's ready to use. It works seamlessly with most major conferencing platforms like Zoom, Skype, and YouTube, making it the perfect choice for all your online communication needs. Whether you're using it for work or play, the IMIT 1080p webcam with microphone, C960 web camera is the perfect addition to your laptop or desktop setup. Get your hands on this powerful webcam today and take your online communication to the next level. Number 2. MJDOUD Wireless Rearview Camera. This is a multi-purpose LCD monitor for VCD/DVD/GPS/car rear view camera. With delicate design, stable performance, clear picture and excellent color effect. 9 volts to 36 volts high quality 7-inch car LCD monitor helps in preventing accidents while driving in reverse by avoiding children, traffic, pedestrians, toys and pets while backing out of the driveway or parking space. With 7-inch big screen to show you the image from the camera, which provide better visual effects than 4.3-inch/3.5-inch monitor. The monitor will start up automatically and synchronously display the video from rear view camera when you're backing your car, and it will close itself after backing. Screen will cut to rear view camera automatically while you're backing the car and change back to the original scene after backup. The screen could be adjustable by rotating the support stand to view different angle for easy installation and standalone. Number 3. Car DVR 3-lens Wi-Fi dash cam. With a large f1.8 aperture and the lens excellent low light performance, this in-car camera is able to capture details such as license plates at night. Supports connection with Android iPhone. Convenient for you to watch videos on your cell phone. When the car in reverse gear, the car DVR will automatically switch to the rear camera imaging view with parking line, ensures safety for parking. When someone near your car or vehicle starts to move, automatically turn on and start recording when detects any impact or collision. The device automatically recording for few seconds. Make sure 24 hours parking guard. Attention, it should be connected by a DVR exclusive power cable. In the event of an impact or collision, the built-in G sensor would lock and save the video, and the video would not be overwritten by loop recording. Every detail would be automatically recorded and not miss 1 second. Unlocked data would be overwritten automatically when TF card is run out of storage. Number 4. DDPAI Mini Pro Dash Cam. DDPAI Mini Pro has a high-performance 1/2.9 cmos image sensor that empowers 2305 x 1296 high resolution and a 140 degrees wide-angle lens that provides a broader vision. The primary camera, with 5 sets of HD optical lenses and an f2.0 large aperture, improves lighting, making it easy to record road conditions and other details even at night. The 330-degree rotatable lens allows you to record the beautiful scenery outside the car window and take selfies in the car. The portable mini-body can be installed idly without blocking your vision. The integrated bracket and USB port render a streamlined effect. Loop recording is started synchronously with the car. Previous videos will be automatically overwritten once the SD card is full, freeing you from manual deletion. Pi Mini Pro will take photos and record videos once its built-in gravity sensor detects an emergency braking or collision. It automatically stores them in a separate space to prevent them from being overwritten by daily videos, facilitating download for evidence collection at any time. Number 5. FHD Sony Car Rear View Camera. Fill in light to allow you to make clear recordings in relatively dark environments. The use of sealed filling treatment, sealed waterproof effect, high concealment to prevent dust, humidity, aggressive gas into. When you get your car in reverse gear, it will automatically switch to their camera image with parking line and display it on DVR.